I'm back at it. So I'm gonna set the phone up and we're gonna see if I can get most of this room done. Try to. Let's get it started. Well, that'll be it for today. I got that wall and that wall all taken care of. I wasn't able to move on to there because I had to drop everything and run over to my house thanks to all this tropical moisture and move my car from the driveway so that I didn't risk getting water in it because our street floods very easy and we were getting a lot of rain in a very short amount of time. So just to be safe, I moved my car. The creek was only probably about a foot from flooding our street, so I didn't want to gamble. So I made the 30-minute-ish round trip to do that and came back and finished up. But I will catch you next time when we finish that wall and that little pocket right there. See you next time. Have a great day.